Hello everybody, CryptoStrang here. Today, I'm going to talk about Verasity. It's my best project many times before. As I've stated numerous times, there's no other project out there that causes so much divide within the community. I still believe in the project. They're still getting the partnerships. Okay, I even put on the Telegram group, the official one, the other day, literally a few days ago, and I said, wouldn't it be fantastic, like I've stated before again, if the team would do some monthly AMAs to squash all the FUD, get people out there engaging, and give them more updates. Their response from one of the admin was basically, they're too busy with the partnerships. Well, okay, understand they're getting a lot of partnerships and building, but it would be nice if they did that monthly AMA. I think it would do wonders for the project. I truly do. I look at the price now, and me, it's just bonkers where we are. Who would have thought July 2025 would be at this price? Obviously, the market's had a bit of a pickup lately. It's great to see. Is it the start of the full-on bull market? Who knows? It's never financial advice, always state that. But look at Verasity now, 0.009. And I think we basically had around 7 pence for the previous bull market. It's one of opportunity, but obviously there's no guarantee. Do your own research. I go through Verasity and it's still getting the partnership, still building. So it's amazing the market cap is still under 10 million at the moment. I find that absolutely amazing, to be honest. They put this recent post on X. They're very active on X, I must admit. They put this article about the second quarter, the recap. Now, obviously, the big news was expecting was the POV migration to the Tron network, where we separate VRA onto a separate chain with Tron and the POV, completely separate from Verasity VRA on the ERC20. It hasn't happened. It was in their roadmap to be completed this quarter, but it hasn't. Again, it gives all the FUDders perfect opportunity to jump in. States here on the article, the second quarter was one of our most dynamic quarters to date, marked by an unwavering drive to capitalise on every opening. Over a 90-day period, we welcomed 8 new clients to our ecosystem, listed VRA on 5 exchanges, 4 swap platforms and 2 wallets, and executed more than 15 targeted campaigns. The big news also, at the same time, Veraviews delivered landmark development out of the UAE, launching the nation's first homegrown ad exchange SSP and the Ministry of Economy's Next-Gen FDI program. So go for all the different parts of the second quarter. The Vera Play extended ad metrics, Vera Player content playback metrics for VCMS. The dual token ecosystem, now it says here see section 7 and basically says in section 7 there'll be some updates soon. So again, I think when we finally get the migration complete, it'll be massive and people then see the true VRA supply. With the quarterly burns as well, who knows whether VRA could actually go from that. I think it's really important we get this separation as soon as possible, I've always stated. It goes through lots and lots of updates, obviously. Talk about UAE developments, obviously, was huge. But also the fact that Khaleej Times, the UAE's largest publisher, is the inaugural partner and publisher on board the ad exchange. That was probably the biggest news in the last quarter, without doubt. That was absolutely huge to get that such a high subscribed Khaleej Times paper news project, and it's absolutely incredible to get the Vera Play with built-in proof of view to get the genuine people knowing you're actually viewing the ads. I think that was really good. Partnerships integrations, again, they talked a lot about paal.ai. Again, we spoke about that on one of the previous videos. Absolutely huge. Turbo's a top 100 meme coin. Power IBM partnered enterprise solutions and all these partnerships. The WebEx, the fact they hosted that as well, that was really good. They got involved with that massively. See the complete list of our newest partners, integration, collaborations below. Go through a couple of more recent ones as well. But the WebEx, I say sponsorship, actually being part of that and building on it was absolutely huge. It truly was. So they're very good second quarter. It's just a shame they didn't get the migration done. And obviously talk about the different exchanges listed on. Again, it's always great to see get more visibility. They're doing a lot of competition. It seems every exchange they go on, they do a competition to win Veracity. Again, it gives that visibility, highlights the project, and gets people engaged. But again, section 7 says strategic tokenomics update. Tokenomic updates are underway and pending third-party development. So again, the day we actually get this migration complete and we have 2 separate tokens, VRA and the Tron POV, will be absolutely huge for the project. I truly do believe that. I think we're extremely patient with Veracity, and I say don't help themselves with their lack of updates. That's me being a bit critical, but I do generally believe if they could just give regular updates, it would do wonders for the project. Talking about the latest announcements, they've partnered with Fountain AI, a tap-to-earn gaming ecosystem of 500,000 monthly active users. Through partnership, Fountain will adopt the Vera Player again. Okay, so good. 500,000 monthly active users. Fountain AI, again, massive. Okay, now, the next one was Dodger on Mars. Now, I remember this, maybe coming from the previous bull market, done extremely well. New land, an AI-powered. Now, who remember Elon? We had all Dodger on Mars, the AI-powered world here community immigration. Today, we're giving up to 2,500 already in Elon tokens. So they're always doing the competitions. Okay, now find the Veracity building the metaverse and post sales of it. New chance for blue. Let's go. You see all there, all the information. Okay, so they're always doing a competition to give away the new sort of listing and VRA, but also projects they partner with and give away their token as well. So absolutely wonderful opportunity here. Again, I like to see the partnerships, and it's absolutely imperative, and also the investment as well. It's just crazy where this price is at the moment. It still baffles me we're so low. Okay, as I said many times, when we actually get the separation, who knows where Verasity price will go. A lot of people out believe, it won't be around a year's time, but this project's been around for 8 years, and I strongly do believe in it long term. It's been a long time building, to put it mildly, but I think it's a wonderful opportunity to get involved with Verasity. I always speak very fondly of this project. It's still in my top 10 holdings by value. Only time will tell. Out of all the projects, this is the one I had the biggest hope for, should we say, in 2025 for profits. So far, hasn't done me very well at all. And I've been accumulating some more. When it's at this price, I think it's criminal for me to not get some more. What you can get for like, say, £100, you could basically get, well over 140,000 VRA. You think the previous bull market, that's worth about £8,000. But obviously, there's no guarantee where it goes. You'd like to think each bull market, with a project constantly developing, you'd go even higher than the previous all-time high. Only time will tell. As I said, a lot of people don't believe in it. I personally believe we will get there one day, but obviously it's no financial advice. Now, today's sponsor, it's actually a project I covered recently. From that video, the team reached out to me, liked the video, and asked me to do another separate video just to highlight what they're doing. So the Sapphire Studios, please revert to my previous video. I'll put a link below. It's a wonderful new gaming project on launch. Basically, it's similar to actually Vinny's got gaming studios. And they've already got their first game literally on launch now. Golding and Stellar Extraction is also in development. So it's an early stage. Now they've got their SST token. It's a wonderful opportunity to get in early. Now, do have a referral link below to support the channel. Again, do your own research. It's a wonderful opportunity to get these projects really out. At Sapphire Studios, we think big. We're passionate about bringing the most epic features and games we love, taking gaming to the next level, be in the studios. So if they constantly build more and more games, plus with the general usage of the SST token, who knows where it's going to go. So again, link below. Please reference the previous video. It's a wonderful opportunity. But again, also appreciate Sapphire Studios sponsoring this video. I really do. It does support the channel. Now, going back to Verasity. Second quarter 2025 roadmap hasn't been completed yet. Obviously, they've talked about the fact they've done the VRA side of it, but the dual token ecosystem has taken a lot longer than we thought. We thought it was going to be completed late last year, didn't we? And the latest was this quarter, but it still hasn't been completed. So you like to think, certainly this quarter, but obviously in the next few weeks or so, we'll get some more solid news. I really do believe that. Now, going back to the partnerships, I think this was huge, the World 3. Now, they announced a strategic partnership with World 3 AI, emerging AI and blockchain protocol dedicated to building AI autonomous worlds. And that was another good partnership announcement. And also, I saw this interesting post. And I've seen this on X as well. Gaming crypto project leads social buzz with up to 6% growth. The top 4 gaming tokens basically by social activity is Flocky, Gala, VRA, and Render. Now, I've seen this many other places as well on X where it talks about the AI and all that. The most social sort of activity, VRA is often in the top 10. So when you go back to Verasity here, we scroll through the market at 9.5 million. Again, you look at the circulating supply, the maximum doesn't help because obviously we know about the separation. We're getting rid of 90 billion. So once people see the burns, this is what I think I'm really super bullish about this project long term. But again, the fact it's outside the top 1,000 is mad, in my opinion. But again, I may be proven wrong. Who knows? That's why it's never financial advice and do your own research. It's just merely my humble opinion. But I'm still very bullish on Verasity, despite the fact we're under 10 million market. We're outside the top 1,000. I think future is looking very bright for this project with these constant partnership announcements. Okay, it truly is a fascinating project. Kind of obsessed with Verasity, where it goes every day. But I strongly do believe we've still got a wonderful year ahead, and I'm still bullish. So I just want to give this update: the constant partnerships, the POV migration soon, hopefully. Still believe in Verasity. Please hit the like. Please comment. Please subscribe. Please hit the bell for notifications. I do appreciate everyone does support the channel. Spread the word out there about Verasity. I also want to hear your comments about Verasity. Are you bullish? Are you sort of neutral? Or do you think it's a scam and it's just absolute rubbish? I'd love to know. I'd love to have an honest conversation what people think about Verasity. I've had quite a few comments before where people have been quite blunt. That's why I like that. I'm not here for praise or anything like that. I do actually genuinely appreciate when people are honest and what they think about Verasity. And why do you don't like it? Why do you think it's a scam? That's what I want to hear. So thanks very much. I appreciate everyone's support. It's a wonderful time ahead in crypto, it truly is. So thanks so much. We will chat again soon. Obviously, as usual, just email me, info@cryptostrang.com, or my social media links below. Come and join us on our Telegram, Facebook group. Wonderful times. Thanks very much. Have a great day ahead. Cheers now. Bye.